hey, I won't be long la kule video. Sengishawe isikhathi. Ukasho phela Robert Kiyosaki ukuthi learn to manage three things in this life. 3. Ama systems are 3. Learn to manage time, learn to manage people, learn to manage systems. Those are 3 things that you have to learn to manage in order for you to be successful. Ayizwa leyo nto. So nami ke la khona la ngishayeke khona ekuthenini ngimanage isikhathi. So now I'm rushing. Kodwa ngifuna ukutshela yona. Yabo le genge lena efana nami ene Open Root Center. Leyo genge leyo iyathanda ukuchila bese yenza izinto ngo last minute. That is a not self. We are operating as not yourself. Yabo, it's like mangabe ukuthi time is still on your side. It's like ingathi ungachila, and then once you run out of time, now you want to start to do things. Yabo, you are in a rush. By that time when you think you manage well, kanti cha akona lokho. Kona noma early. Akazizwa kahle me early. Sengathi usengalokho delay aze abe ngathi uba late bese yaqala ke. Yabona mase ba late ke ila azokhumbula khona ukuthi yini into angayenzile before aphume. Yabo ufuna nje ukuthi angazi engenza izinto nje haste so. Yabo Open Root Center, that is, we are operating as a not self lapho. In fact, that thing is, if you are having an open root center ile center lela phezansi ku human design chart, it's if we are operating optimally, so it means when you should have developed a wisdom of managing izinto and doing things not under pressure. Yabo wazi ukuthi inini lakho nekumele ufake lot of energy, inini lakho nekumele ukuthi ungafaki lot of energy, kumele ngabe uba ne wisdom. But in not self ithi ke zifakele ipressure yenza izinto ngo last minute, so that is overwhelmed and stressed ukuthi ufuna ukwenza izinto eziningi ngesikhathi esincane. Kanti adalelwanga lokho wena. Yabo, you are just adrenalizing yourself, and ikulula ke for wena ukuthi ungene kulento ekuthiwa i-depression ne stress, ube overwhelmed. Yabo, awunayo indlela consistent yokumanage i-pressure of getting things done. So it's better ukuthi wenze izinto calmly, so makusenesikhathi kunokuthi uyifake esigabeni la khona osuzozenza izinto so under pressure, because uyibona ngathi wena uyamanage, you are doing absolutely well kanti